What is up, boutique babies? Welcome back to Sharon's Nail Boutique. I would hope that you like this video and hit that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So these are our swatches of SXC's Butterfly Jelly Polygel Kit and all the decorations that come with it. I'm basically redoing a set. I've tried this kit on video before, but I'm just doing another one. So I'm using my FZANEST from Amazon, which is a peel-off base coat, and it actually works pretty darn good, actually. And then I'm using SXC's base coat to glue on my tips like so. And yeah, so this seems to work better for me than glue, whereas some people, they work better with glue. But I'm just gluing on all these tips using my pre-pinch extra long McCart coffin tips that I got in one of my membership boxes, and that's it. I'll cut these down a little bit and I'll use my sanding band to rough up that surface like so, and then we'll go in and cut them and start doing our design. On my thumb, I was thinking of doing like 3 colors, but obviously with jelly it doesn't exactly come out blended like an ombre would, and I don't know why I thought it would, but anyways, you live and you learn, right? You make mistakes and then you learn from them. So yeah, I learned from that one for sure. So my thumb actually looks more blue than anything because I think I used the blue, green, and the yellow, so it just came out looking more blue. I couldn't put all my fingers in because some of them I was out of frame, which I completely apologize for. I'm going to be redoing another set today, so I'll be getting that up as well. I'm going to be using McCart's gels, like extension gels, but it's not polygel, it's the gels that came in like the cake tubes, so stay tuned for those as well. But one thing I love about these colors from SXC is that they name them, and they're so pretty. Like, they're light in color when you compare them to other jelly kits, but they're really effective and they look really cute when you put matte top coat on them. In today's design, I didn't use matte top coat, I used the shiny top coat. And I did not encapsulate these. These are more like butterfly junk nails. So I did our full color on each of the nails except for the thumb because I tried doing the ombre. But when I realized it didn't work, I just switched over to doing full color nails. So yeah, you see how like my hand was kind of out of shot a little bit. Basically, my husband bought me the new iPhone 13 Pro Plus in the new green color that dropped a couple days ago. And I am absolutely freaking loving how clear this picture is compared to my Galaxy S10 Plus. I have heard really good things about the S22. However, when it comes to camera quality, I've also heard that iPhone is the best because with Androids, they have to make those apps for all Android phones, whereas iPhones, they only perfect the app for iPhone itself. So yeah, I think that's why the quality is better. But anyways, the S22 has 5 cameras, whereas the iPhone only has 3. So I don't know. I think the S22, like the Androids, are stepping up their game. So we'll see. But see how I did different colors here? I went in with like the green and then the blue here, or the blue and then the green, and then I did yellow at the top, and it just, you couldn't really tell. So yeah, I still wanted to share it with you all though. So yeah, it didn't exactly come out exactly how I wanted it. Oh, I did pink at the top. Excuse me. But yeah, and I love SXC's brushes, so I highly recommend SXC's kits. I'm actually going to be doing a set with their wedding kit soon as well. But let me know what you all think of these sets in the comments below. I would love to have you stick around and be a subby if you're not already. And I always respond back to all my subscribers' content. I subscribe back to people who subscribe to me. I even subscribe to people who aren't subscribed to me. I always comment back to people who leave comments. So hopefully you will stick around. If you've stuck around this far, hopefully you will hit that subscribe button. If you haven't already, I would love to welcome you to my newest boutique babies. And it's only gonna get better from here on out because I am just loving the quality of this picture. Ooh, so happy. My husband was like, you've been waiting for this for so long, so you deserve it. So I'm just very grateful that I have such a supportive husband. So now I'm going in on this finger with that yellow but I truly apologize that you guys were not able to see everything. But I still wanted to get this up for you all because the art in the end of the video is where it's at. So I did the full nails, we file on camera. I left all the art, me doing like the junk nails in the end for you, because that's like the best part of the video. I loved decorating these nails. I had so much fun doing it with like the stickers that come with this kit. And I'm gonna do a video of how you could actually work with stickers and make them look like almost like drawn art, or just way better than just stickers. You know what I mean? Like there's ways that you can lay these stickers and have them look like almost like someone drew them, or like it was like a full foil or something. So I can show you how to place your stickers so that they look just so cohesive with the whole set, and it doesn't look like out of place or anything. Because sometimes when you place stickers on your nails, it makes them look a little on the chintzy or cheaper side. It just depends on where you place them and how you place them. So if you all would be interested in watching me do a video on sticker and decal placement, let me know in the comments below. I'll probably get that up for you anyways, but I still would like to hear from you whether or not that's something that you would like to see. So just finishing up now using that pink, and I have left the swatches in the background for you all if you're wondering like what the names of the colors are. So yeah, just finishing up the pinky, just making sure that I have my apex in place. Polygel's a little trickier because when you work with it with your brush, it wants to follow your brush wherever it goes. So you have to make sure that you're placing your apex in place before you start pulling on the rest of the gel. So this is how they look before filing and stuff. So I'm just gonna take these stickers out and get them ready. So yeah, this is what we're using on our art. And we're going to be using those butterflies and pixie crystals that also came with them, along with the gold little pieces in there as well. Came with like some feathers and stuff. Those tweezers came out of a kit that I purchased on Amazon, so I'll leave the link for those as well in the description index below as usual. So I'm just filing these into shape and making sure that, you know, they look decent before I get them going with the nail art. Because at first I was like, you know, let me just top coat these and not even file them. But I'm like, you know, I don't really want to do that. I want to go through with everything and just make sure that they're done properly, and why not record them? So yep, just filing these polygel nails into shape. SXC's Jelly Butterfly Kit. And then we're going to go in with our stickers and our junk nails, which is just basically deco, any type of deco that you have laying around, and like bulking it together with a bunch of design stuff. So when you hear someone say junk nails, it basically means like a bunch of different decorations and stuff like that that may have no rhyme or reason to them, but it looks super cute. So I'll just finish filing these, and then we'll go in and clean them off the surface with our alcohol and lint-free wipe. And then we'll start going in with, I believe I used just their SXC, the base coat, to glue down my decorations, and that worked just fine. So watch how I place these stickers, okay? So I'm using my tool, my silicone tool, to make sure that they're laying completely flat. And then watch how I place like the flowers together, almost as if they're in the same bushel, like they're the same sticker. And then I lay another one on that back there, so it could actually look like a bouquet of flowers and not just separate stickers. And then I take a leaf one and I put it off into that corner. So this actually looks like an entire sticker when you lay it that way. And then I take the butterfly sticker, the name butterfly, and I put that right under there. So look at how elegant that looks. Then I do it similar in the other corner at the bottom left-hand side. Very pretty. I mean, these stickers are amazing for design. If you don't feel like drawing at that moment or doing, you know, chromes or whatever, there is so much you can do with nail stickers. I mean, look at that. So pretty when you group them together like this. It really looks purposely done that way. I love how they came out. And then I just take that butterfly one as if it's flying from one flower to the next and put that right in the center, but on a tilt, so that it doesn't look too perfect. You know what I mean? You don't want them like perfectly symmetrical, because that's not like, it's not, the butterflies don't fly perfectly symmetrical anyways. But yeah, I'm going in with like pinkish purpley ones, or just pinkish ones on this now. I think I just do, I might put a flower, but I think I only do the 2 butterflies on this one. I love how these came out. I really, really enjoyed doing these nails for you all. Let me know what you think. I know it's not the best video, but yeah, certainly it was good enough, I think, to put up on here. And really what I want to hear from you all is how much better you think this picture quality is, because this is really why I wanted to get a video up right away, so you guys can see the difference between my other videos and this one, and let me know if you can notice the picture quality difference or not. But other than that, that's pretty much all I have for you today. So if you stick around and watch the rest of these butterfly junk nails, I would greatly appreciate that, because we're going to get into some of these art pieces now. Yeah, I love you all so much. Please don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, boutique babies.